we have Vedant Sevak Vasant Patil, who is going to speak about the significance of Maharana Pratap Jayanti. Over to you, Vasantji.
Yes. Have you seen a person 7.5 feet tall? 7.5 feet tall. Have you seen?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Have you seen a person who will lift a spear of 81 kg? Bhala spear. 81 kg.
No, sir. No, sir.
Have you seen a person, a great warrior with 208 kilo weight? He will be weighing that and fighting with the opponent. Have you seen 208 kg means what? That much weight he will be weighing and fighting with all.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Answers are no. Okay. Have you seen a person who will protect his kingdom and he will fight with so many warriors, like thousands of warriors? Yeah, Arjuna is there, but this one is the recent one. Okay, so let us get the SSS answer of all. Okay, there is one place called Kumbhalgarh. Okay, do you know Padharo Maro Desh? Have you heard this phrase sometimes? Padharo Maro Desh.
Yes, sir. I have,
Yeah,
sir. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
okay.
Yes.
Have you heard Mewad? Mewad?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, now listen. Mewad is the south central part of Rajasthan. Mewad. Okay. And in that Mewad, Kumbhalgarh is the one fort where this person, I told you the great things, 7.5 feet tall, carrying 81 kg spear and armor of 72 kg. That great warrior took birth in this Kumbhalgarh. And name, we all know king. Okay, king. But Maharaja is something different. Raja in Mewad language, it is called Rana. And Maha means the great one. So there are kings, but one is Maharaja, bigger than that king. That is called Maharana Pratap. In name itself, valor and power, potential, everything is, present there. So let us see one by one. I told you Maharana Pratap. Maha means the great, the greatest, and Rana means king. Pratap was the name of that king. Okay, he was Rajput. Okay, Rajput. Then we will see little bit information about him. You can see that spear is there and fully equipped, ever ready to fight with opponent. Okay, Maharana Pratap was the Hindu king of Mewar. I told you Mewar means south central part of Rajasthan. Also known as Mewari Rana. Rana means a king. Okay, he is known for military resistance against the expansionism of Mughal Empire and was known for his participation in the Battle of Haldighat. Actually, I have been in Haldighat. Okay, there was Akbar king. He was, he was having different thoughts about India. Right now also many people, they have wrong thoughts, wrong notion. They are having eyes on our India. So same way Mughal was there and the king name was Akbar. He wanted to, have all India under his empire. And he was continuously attacking some kings and he will capture that land. He will capture that king also, and he will have all rights over that land. Illegal, but he was having that wrong desire. Then this Maharana Pratap on Kumbalgarh he born. Who was the father and mother? Maharana Pratap was born into Hindu Rajput. I told you Rajput. So this battle between Rajput and Pathan. Pathan means Akbar's army, and this our Rajput means Pratap Singh, Maharana Pratap's army. Okay, our army. So he was born to Uday Singh II in that king's family, in their dynasty. Same name they give. That is why sometimes Uday Singh first, Uday Singh II. In history we have seen that. And Jayavanta Bai. He was born to them. 9th May 1540 was the birthday of our Maharana Pratap. And he, demised in 19 January 1597. It was a little bit story. Do you know what is the name of Maharana Pratap's horse? Any idea?
The Chetak.
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 Yeah, that
Chetak.
horse. Yeah, understood. Chetak. But that horse was not ordinary horse. It is considered that, it is deemed that that horse was the best horse in the world, in the world. You know what happened? That horse was very honest and he know what to do when. Once Maharana Pratap was, injured, and that horse took Maharana Pratap for long distance. And the story was that horse was also injured. But there was one regulate, 20 feet, 21 feet. And that Chetak, he took leap from that one bank to the other bank, one side to the other side. And 21 feet he covered. Though he was injured, still he covered that. That much intelligence was there to a horse. And Chetak was his name. After that, he gave up his life, that Chetak horse, how he protected his king. Okay. So that Akbar, come back to Akbar. That was about Chetak. That Akbar, he wanted to have, all control over Mewad Prant, Mewad portion. Then Maharana Pratap continuously he was having battle with that Akbar. But what Akbar did, see, always this king they have conspiracy, okay, and this is called, Haldi Ghat War. I mentioned Haldi Ghat War, where war between Maharana Pratap and the Man Singh, who was fighting from side of Akbar. Okay, Akbar told to this Man Singh, you fight with Maharana Pratap. This is the thing they are having. They will, who is Maharana Pratap and Man Singh? Both are Rajput, both are Hindus. Okay, but some other person will come and they will, make fight between us. Okay, he will do something and we will start fighting with each other. So this should never happen. Like we are brother, sister. Somebody will say something, we'll start fighting. So say these are what? Brothers are fighting with each other because of some other person. Akbar prompted to fight with him. So that battle was very danger battle. So little about that. This battle fought on 18th June 1576 between Pratap Singh and Akbar forces led by Man Singh first. So he was from Ajmer. He started, capturing one place. They will come in one place and they will start growing. So Akbar started with the help of Man Singh. Pratap Singh was having very few army, like 3,000 cavalries and 14 Bhil archers. Okay, very few. But Mughals were led by Man Singh of Ajmer with an army like 5,000, 10,000 people, 10,000 army. But still, Pratap Singh and all Rajput, they fought with very power, with force. But that day was of our Akbar people, okay, this party. And somehow Pratap Singh escaped from there, and thereafter he lived in one jungle. Okay, this was the fight. Okay, very dreadful fight. You can see some pictures here. It's called Haldi Ghat. And Maharana Pratap, you see how tall, on horse. You can see horse is having some, different kind of in some disguise. Okay, and it was fought between them. Okay, and nobody killed Maharana Pratap, but during some fight he got injured and Pratap died. Maharana Pratap died injury sustained in hunting accident in Chavad. Chavad is the place where he died 19th January 1597 at the age of 56. And thereafter Amar Singh first, he was the heir of our Maharana Pratap, and on his death you see what he said to his child. He said, never ever submit to Mughals, okay, and win Chittor. Maharana Pratap won everything. Whatever Akbar has took, Maharana Pratap won everything, but only Chittor he could not won. Okay, only Chittor he could not won. Then Maharana Pratap told to his child, you win over Chittor also. And he died, he never surrendered to Mughals. And he was a great warrior. Everybody would praise Maharana Pratap. Akbar also cried when Maharana Pratap died. So this is the glory of Maharana Pratap. When enemy also cries when a strongest opponent dies. So this is the full story of Maharana Pratap, Kumbhalgarh, and very nicely he protected our India, never surrendered. So we also have some patriotism in us, Desha Bhakti and Deva Bhakti also. Thank you.